guys, Zorimar here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is dedicated to Sezane. No surprise there. I've been doing so many Sezane videos this year, and that is tied to the way they've been releasing their collections, like a very slow drip. And it is driving me crazy, but it's also working because I looked at my closet and I bought a lot more Sezane things this year than I did last year. So that goes to show you that this marketing strategy is totally working, especially given that we are under lockdown and there's not much reason to be shopping, right? But I am getting all of their beautiful pieces, hoping that I can wear them next year. I'm also really hoping that 2021 will bring the collection release to where it used to be, like slower and more wholesome. Let's hope that that happens. I am really excited about all the pieces I'm going to show you today. They are part of the holiday release, and my Christmas gift is going to make an appearance before I gift wrap it and slip it underneath the tree. It's a bag. It's an item that I've been wanting for a while, but you know, it's a bigger purchase, so I took my time to really think about it, and it's finally here. Very happy that it made it before Christmas. Also, I want to invite you to join me on Facebook. I have a group called Zorimar Blog. I'm going to link to it in the description of this video. If you follow me there, we can chat on a daily basis. I share about collection restocks, new releases, and just cool items and styling things that I find on the internet. Between filming and publishing these YouTube videos, sometimes a week or more goes by, so it will be a great way for us to have another way of communication. I hope to see you there. I want to thank everybody who has been supporting this channel this year. It has given me something happy and fuzzy and warm to look forward to. This channel has given me a little bit of a purpose outside of my usual work, so thank you so much. And if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will mean the world to me. Without any further ado, let's get into today's video. First up, I have the Sidney Pants in size 34 US 2, which is my usual size for bottoms from Sezane. They fit like a glove, definitely tight around the waist, which is something I really love. They have 3 buttons at the top here, followed by a zipper. The design is like you have a faux belt. No need to wear a belt with this pants, which is really cool. I love this section, how it has these lines running horizontal. It's really wide, dramatic, really cool. It's like subtle and dramatic at the same time. The pants have pockets, which, yay. really excited every time they are pants with pockets. The material is denim, and I think this is why the color of the khaki is a little bit darker than what I expected. There's certain times of the day, depending on how the light hits the pant, where the pant looks a little bit on the gray side. If anything, I wish they make it in another color. I am gonna keep the khaki because it's a great color for fall, spring, and even winter, but I am hoping that they maybe gonna make like a white denim one. That will be really cool. And also, if they execute this design in another material like wool or cotton for the summer, that will be also really nice. But the Sidney Pants, absolute fan now, and highly recommend them. They're really cool. Next up, I have the Aelie Cardigan Jumper. It has a richly saturated pink and purple going throughout in a floral pattern. There are some spots of yellow and some little dots of red in the center of some of the flowers. At the front, there is a round neckline and contrasting chunky buttons. The cardigan has a little bit of a flared like balloon sleeve over here, you know, because it has a gathering around the wrist, but it's nothing too crazy. It's not the type of balloon sleeve where you cannot wear a jacket over. No issues whatsoever. The material has a little bit of itch like most Sezane knitwear, and there's nothing to worry about. If you have a sensitive skin, I'm gonna link to my go-to base layer that I wear under sweaters, and that is the Uniqlo Thermal. It's a really great solution. The composition of the sweater is 33% polyamide, 32% wool, 32 kid mohair and 3 elastin. All in all, I really love this sweater. It has so much personality. It's fun, it's bright. However, I am sending it back because I have 3 other floral sweaters by Sezane, and when the collection was released, I just saw it and I was like, oh, this is so fun, and I, you know, add to cart and placed my order without really taking inventory of what I have. After it arrived, I think I have other pieces that have this kind of like color palette, and they're also floral, so I can't keep all of them. But all in all, it's a really cute sweater. And here I have the Gaspard in navy in the size extra small. That is right, finally Sezane is starting to release knits that are extra small, and I am here for it because my frame is very slender and a lot of the tops are quite boxy, and even though I enjoy a boxy look, pulling back one size makes a huge difference. This extra small, I guarantee you I'm gonna only be purchasing extra small Gaspards from now on. I compared it to the extra small I have and the difference is visible. Also, I have no idea why the navy is not a core color. It's just as versatile as black, but they only release it once a year versus the black and the camel are colors that they carry all year round. So not sure what the reason is, but this navy is beautiful. I don't know if you can see with the light hitting it, there's like a little bit of indigo and a little bit of purple notes, which is, you know, adds depth. I love when a color is shifting with the light that hits it. It means it has dimension, and it just, you know, it makes an outfit so much nicer. So in terms of color and sizing, I am in love with this piece. However, I did run into a problem, and I want to ask you guys if you maybe have had the same problem in the last 6 months. And that is that on a certain angle on this side of the sweater, there is a line that runs from top to bottom, and it's just like a slightly fainter shade of navy. And I'm not sure where this is coming from. You know, when I first saw it, was 2 months ago, I got this camel Gaspard and the wrong size arrived, but then it had that line from top to bottom, and I was like, oh, I wonder what's that about. But I already was sending it back because it was the wrong size, so didn't really spend much time thinking about it. And now when I got this, I still see the line. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is there, and it's like this line, and it goes from here to down here. And I saw online some people saying they also have it. I'm wondering if it's something that as you wear the sweater and it loosens up, it's gonna disappear. Is it something that's gonna be there permanently? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you've experienced any issues with your Gaspards in the last 6 months that resemble what I'm describing. And also let me know if you think that's a big deal. Because, you know, if it was like an old sweater, I would think, oh, it was folded like this and then there was something heavy over it, so where the crease was, the color faded. But since this is not an old stock, it's a new size, it's a new color, so it makes no sense that that's the reason behind it. So I am wondering if I should send it back. The extra small is already, you know, sold out, and I kind of really love, you know, like the idea of keeping it, because just the back and forth is very tiring. But I'm done. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Alright, and here is my Christmas gift. I'm very excited. This is the best Christmas gift ever. I've been wanting a Victor bag for some time now, but only after they released the braided design is when I was like, okay, I'm definitely getting this bag. I just am waiting for a special occasion. So Christmas, this is the gift. Look at it. It's so beautifully made. I love the texture that comes from this braided silhouette. I love the gold zipper. The size is good. It will fit all my essentials. It's good for meetings, running around, date night, everything. It's a timeless bag, and that is the type of piece that I like investing a little bit more in, because you can throw this on a very simple plain sweater with a nice flat and a pair of jeans, and you will look sophisticated and chic and lovely. So this is the braided Victor bag. So stoked. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you like my picks? Did you get anything from Sezane's holiday collection release? I want to know. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. It will mean the world to me. I hope you have a wonderful week. Happy holidays and see you next time.